say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so damn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom to one beautiful 1-year-old baby girl. And today we're going to be doing a complete disaster clean with me. My house was a wreck this week. My daughter was actually sick for the first time since she's been born, so that had me a wreck as well. And then this was also the week that I filmed and did the whole buffet cabinet makeover for my dining room. If you haven't already watched that or you're new here, I'll link it up above. I just moved into this house, and so I've been doing a ton of new house clean and decorates with me, with new furniture and decor and all that stuff. So that was my latest one. And yeah, this was the week that I did that project. So my house got a little out of hand. Okay, I have a mess to clean in the kitchen and the dining room and upstairs as well. And we're gonna be deep cleaning my floors. I don't usually mop with my spin mop, only when I want to do a real deep clean. You guys know I use the Bona mop, but today we're pulling out the spin mop and the Fabuloso, and we're gonna be doing a deep clean, and it's just gonna be super satisfying. So if you're in need for some motivation, go ahead and stay tuned for that.
I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should.
And you guys, I am 3 days later, a ton of headaches later, and a bunch of times trying to export this video, adding this voiceover in to let you guys know that some of my clips got deleted because they were causing glitches and would not allow me to save the video with the clips within them. So I had to take them out, which I'm super bummed about because it had some super satisfying clips, like my dining table was a wreck. That's where I did the project at. And then as well as you could kind of see it in this clip here, the plastic that was there from me painting the project, and there was a ton of stuff on there, and I cleaned all that. Super satisfying, but I had to cut that out as well because the file was somehow messed up. I don't know what's going on with iMovie, but yeah, so I'm sorry, and I'll try to let you guys know if it jumps from like a weird place where there was a certain clip that got deleted.
Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing.
Now that the dishes are all loaded up into the dishwasher, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down all the counters with my Method Daily Granite Cleaner.
Doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
This little mess is where I painted the spray painted the hardware from the buffet cabinet, and then you guys are also gonna see that I still have the plastic covering where I painted it on, and I'm gonna be throwing that away as well.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun.
I'm cleaning the cake stand now, and that reminded me, on my Valentine's Day clean and decorate, I got a ton of questions about this cake stand, and I understand why. It is super cute. I got it from Home Goods, you guys, and I got it a while back, like when I first moved into this house, and I don't think they have it anymore. They do not have it. I checked online because so many people were asking me about it, so I went ahead and checked I could find the link online, and I could not. But I will say that Home Goods always have very similar styles. I don't know if you'll find this exact one, but they definitely have super cute cake stands. The living room wasn't a mess. We just need to quickly tidy up in here, but I did want to mention that my next couple of projects involve right where that blanket basket is, putting another side table and lamp. I already got the other lamp. I just need to get the side table. And then right where the dog bed is, I want to put a bookcase and decorate it. It's going to be so cute. But another thing that I wanted to ask your opinion on, that plant that's kind of like a palm tree looking plant. I'm the worst at plants, don't ask me the name of it, but to me it looks like palm, like tropical. I want to change it because I don't feel like it goes with the rest of my space to maybe like an olive tree. I don't know, leave me suggestions down below what you think, what type of plant you think would look nice with everything else. Alright y'all, so now I'm about to vacuum all my floors and then mop them. I'm going to do a deep clean. I'm going to use my spin mop, which I usually just use my Bona mop, but my floors are so dirty. Let me show you guys how dirty they are. And for those of you that ever since I told you guys that I was going to be putting my pantry over there in that closet, you guys said it would be better to put it in one of these two closets because they're bigger, closer to the kitchen. The reason why I don't feel comfortable doing that is because of these floors, you know. This is our back door and this is what we use because our driveway is back there. And I just don't want my pantry being where like outside is and then all the dirty floors, and then whenever I need to get something out the pantry, I need to come here with my house slippers, and you know what I mean. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how dirty my floors are because this is where I was doing the project. And then I also took down my Christmas decor outside, so as I was bringing it to the back, like my floors just got super dirty. So yeah, we're about to vacuum and then deep clean these floors, y'all.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay the night. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
Alright, y'all, so this is the last space we had to tidy up. I had to get this dresser together, change and wash my sheets, and also fold some clothes that have been sitting in the dryer. Then we're gonna vacuum and get this space together.
Seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. Wish I had a girl like you, and wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
Before I get asked what are all these water bottles doing here, I still breastfeed, you guys. And like I said, she was sick and she loves water, and when she was sick she actually wanted more water than usual. So between her wanting water, me breastfeeding, you know, I always say that, you know, that episode of SpongeBob where he's in like Sandy's house and he's like, water. That's breastfeeding moms. I'm so dumb. That's breastfeeding moms when they wake up in the middle of the night. We wake up so thirsty. So that is why I have so much water bottles, empty water bottles on the dresser.
Can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
Alright y'all, after we put away all these clothes, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the entire room to get those nice and satisfying vacuum lines, and then we're going to go ahead and close out this video. I didn't get to show you guys me putting the sheets back on because you know how it goes. After they were drying, I forgot that they were in the dryer, and then I ended up putting them back right before we went to sleep, so I didn't get to show you guys that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for staying until now. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, hit that red subscribe button so that you could become part of the family. I will see you guys Friday for another new house decorate with me, God willing, always. I love you guys. Bye.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.